Deepus. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Deepus the Coder. Let's learn something new today. Today we are going to learn about Xamarin Forms Shield. Shield is a type of batch, but it contains two sections are available. These two sections are independent. One is left side and another one is right side. With the help of Xamarin Community Toolkit, we can able to add the shield to our Xamarin Forms application. You can see the below image for appearance of the shield in Xamarin Forms. We can able to design our shield left side section and right side section with the help of below properties. If we want to add any text to left side shield with the help of the subject property, we can able to add text to in the left side shield. Here in the gray color is the left side shield and green color is the right side shield. And subject text color property is used to add text color for the left side shield content text, and with the help of the subject background color we can able to add the left side shield background color. Here in this image we have a gray color is the our left side section subject background color, and with the help of the status property we can able to write the text inside the right side section. Here our right side section status text is on Discord, and with the help of the status text color we can able to change the our text color of the right side section of the shield. With the help of status background color we can able to change the right side section of the shield background color. Another feature of this shield is below mentioned properties are all the bindable properties. So we can able to bind left side section or right side section belonging text or text color or background color properties. We can able to bind from the view model. Let's see practically how to add this shield in Xamarin Forms application. Here I am opened blank Xamarin Forms application and I am added the Xamarin Community Toolkit NuGet to my solution. Here you can see that Xamarin Community Toolkit NuGet is added to my solution. And next step is I am added namespace for the my Xamarin Community Toolkit. Let's see how to add shield in Xamarin Forms application. With the help of the XCT Xamarin Community Toolkit namespace, I can able to access the shield in Xamarin Forms application. And here we need to add our left side section properties and right side section properties. With the help of the subject we can able to add left side section text. So here I'm giving subject is left and subject text color is brown, white, and subject background color is yellow. So with the help of this subject we can able to give the left side section text, and subject text color is used for left side section text color, and subject background color property is used for left side section background color. Similarly we need to give the right side section related properties. So with the help of status property we can able to give the right side section text. Here I am giving right, and status text color is green, and status background color is green, and I am changed status text color to white. So with the help of status property we can able to give the text to in right side section, and status text color property is used for to change the right side text color, and status background color property is used for to change the background color of the right side shield. So these are all the main properties we need to give while we adding shield to our Xamarin Forms application. Let's run our application and see how it will look like. Here you can see the appearance of the shield in Xamarin Forms application. If you increase the font size, it will automatically increase the height and width of the shield. Now I am adding the font size to my shield. Here you can see that automatically height and width of the shield is increased. And some additional advantage of this shield is we can able to add command property or event to this shield. So whenever user tap on this shield, we can able to raise the event and code behind, or we can able to find the command in view model. Another advantage of this shield is it will automatically adjust the width based on the text present in the left side section or right side section. For example, now I am increase the text in right side section. Here you can see that automatically right side section width is increased. So this is the main advantage of the shield. So based on the text present in left side section or right side section, the width of the shield is increased. We no need of giving any particular width request to this shield. It will automatically adjust based on the font size and based on the text. This is the process and advantage of the shield in Xamarin Forms application.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.